Alright, the battle begins. We'll see about that. I'll use my power first. Shh! Ah! My power's next. Ah! It looks like I'm up with my power. Ah! I'll use my power. What am I supposed to do? The sky is tough to defeat. What am I gonna do? The sky is tough to defeat. I can't find a way. I don't have magical powers, so maybe you could help us. Well, I don't have magical powers, so how could I help? I don't even know how to help either. You just make yourself think you're perfect, huh? Perfect? I'm not perfect. Then how come you don't know how? Well, I don't know. Maybe I've read too many fairy tales. You think you could just blame yourself? I do not blame myself.